Hello everyone, there's something I'd like to share with you guys. It's called BitCycler. If you've never heard about BitCycler before, you can log on to the website on www.bitcycler.com to check for more information how it operates. But at least I can say a few things about it now and you can check it up later. BitCycler is actually a form of networking site in which you purchase positions and wait your turn for the positions to be recycled. And the cool thing about it is that you can always get 10% referral bonus on your direct referrals and manager bonus on subsequent referrals like that. So I actually bought a few positions last year December, that was in 2016, and could you believe all the positions were recycled in less than 2 weeks? That's really cool. You can't get that anywhere else. We have a strategic plan. It's simply called doing things right. Thanks for watching my video.